100% sure, but let's go through them. Like this one, Bebop-a-Loop-Bop. Everybody knows Bebop-a-Loop-Bop, she's my girl. Diana Ross and the Supremes, Love Child. Sonny James, is it wrong for loving you? Is it wrong for loving you? Shoot, I can't remember that one. It's not. If loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right. Okay, so Earth, Wind, and Fire. After the love has gone and risen. So all these I'm happy with. Rod Stewart, Do You Think I'm Sexy? Brenton Wood, Boogum, 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 my baby. And I like the way you love me. That's an awesome, awesome record. Sly and the Family Stone, Hot Fun in the Summertime. And the Delphonics. See, this one I probably got just because it's the Delphonics, and I ready or not, here I come. That's the Fugees or Lauryn Hill. Ready or not, here I come. God, I have to look this one up. And Somebody Loves You. I can't remember, but I love the Delphonics. I'm sure. I mean, I like them. This is cool. Missing Persons Destination Unknown. And there's my dog, Pete. Crystal Gale, Don't You Make My Brown Eyes Blue. That's a good one. And I don't know this one. The Beatles. With Hey Jude. Cool. And Revolution. This is Kenny Rogers. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. And I might not know this one either. Don't Be Cruel by Elvis Presley. And You Ain't Nothing But a Hound Dog. I Want to Be Your Lover, Prince. And they're all in very nice sleeves. Respect Yourself, by the Staple Singers. So these are all pretty good. I mean, they're all good. Okay, I got this one just solely because it was Johnny Cash. I'm sure I've heard it before, but I don't remember the beat of Daddy Sang Bass. When I wrote it down, I put Daddy Played Bass. But anyways, it's Daddy Sang Bass. It kind of has like a gospel spirit to it. Bangles, Eternal Flame. That's a good one. From the movie, what was it? It's come out in a couple movies that I remember from the Bangles, from just being in the 80s. Okay, this is Heart with Dreamboat Annie and Sing Child. And look at that awesome mushroom. Another Johnny Cash that I probably just got because, oh, okay. San Quentin, here in lovely California. And A Boy Named Sue. Okay. See, I don't know Millie Small, but I don't know. I was in auction spirit, and it's not really an auction, it's a sale, so I got it. This is Edwin Starr. War. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. And this belonged to Arnold in New York. Hi, Arnold. Oh, and Leslie Gore, It's My Party. And there was tape on here. You know, some of these aren't going to be in, you know, VG plus condition, but they're playable. They don't look bad. And they're only $1. Hard to resist. It's my party and this one is Pet Shop Boys, Do I Have to, and Always on My Mind. The only one I know is from Pet Shop Boys is Western Girls, but okay. I got this because it's the animals, and I'm sorry, I'm a nerd. I don't know all those. I'm going to change the world, and it's my life. I probably know it, but it's my life. No, that's not it. And like, I got this one because it's the OJs. Don't you know it's true love? Don't you know it's true love and peace? I need to review that for the test tomorrow. Wild Cherry with Play That Funky Music. Play that funky music. Play that funky music. And last but not least, because it's already going over 6.5 minutes, Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band by the Beatles. Do 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 do. Well, let me. Truly, truly in love by Lionel Richie. He's awesome. Anyways, guys, thanks for hanging out. And I'll be back with some records. Tell me what you thought about the records. Tell me if you know these records. And if you guys go visit Don and Mary or Adam from the record crate, hopefully you guys find some good deals. Okay, bye-bye.